Hi, and thanks for tuning in. My name is Braden Rogers with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, Iowa. And today we're going to talk about our pre-owned vehicle of the week, the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring Edition. Now, the Touring Edition means that it does have leather interior, also has features such as the rear entertainment system. Now, a few things that make this vehicle special are that it is upfitted with a Rollx conversion kit, which we're going to talk about a little more in depthly. Now, as I said, this van has a Rollx upfit conversion on it, which does include the sliding power door along with the power in-floor ramp, making this van fully handicap accessible. Now, as we look inside, it does have the tie downs, it's got the folding bench in the back, and as we step inside, you can see both the passenger and the driver's seat are quick release so that they can be removed, and the driver's seat is set for the driver as well so that they can transfer from the wheelchair to the driver's seat. So as you can see, this 2016 Chrysler Town & Country is fully upfitted and handicap accessible. For any more questions about this vehicle or any others here at Bill Caldwell Ford, you can contact me, Braden Rogers. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as Instagram, and thanks for tuning in.
You feel better in a Bill Caldwell Ford.